Hi, my name is Chelsea. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about a meditation practice that I use to clear my energy. This is a really simple meditation practice that I started doing intuitively about 6 or 7 years ago, and it's really helped me to, in those times where I need to clear my energy or just gain like a deeper, wider understanding of the things that are going on in my life. This has been super helpful. So I wanted to share this here and do a little demonstration on how to do this meditation so that you can use it in your life as well. So I recommend doing this meditation for 10 to 20 minutes a day, once a day if you can. If you can't, it's a good meditation to break out whenever you're starting to feel anxious, feeling a lot of tension, feeling depression, anxiety, in those times specifically. But if you're able to do it every day, even just for 10 minutes, this is going to give you some great results. So let's get right into how to do this meditation. You can start a couple of ways here. So you want to just basically bring your attention and your focus back to the present moment to start. So you can do this by following your breath in and out, like so. And then you can also use a mantra like Soham. This is a Sanskrit mantra that means I am, and this is a great one to start with. You can use this to get your focus and your attention centered back in the present moment. So do this for a while, for like 5 minutes, and when you notice that your mind is wandering and you're having thoughts pop up, or you just kind of notice that you're drifting away, you're getting distracted, simply acknowledge these and return your attention, your awareness back to the present moment. So there's no need to feel bad about any of this. It is totally normal and totally part of the process to have these thoughts and these distractions come up when you're trying to really just refocus your energy on the present. So after you feel like you have got your energy focused, you feel calm, you feel a little bit centered, so then at this point, I want you to focus on pulling your energy back into yourself. So a lot of times, I'm sure you notice throughout the day that your energy gets kind of scattered. We become a little bit ungrounded. Our energy gets stuck on different things. We have a million different tabs open in our mind, thinking about all this different stuff we need to do, all these different people we need to text back, all of this stuff. For a moment here, we want to take all of our energy that's scattered around and bring it back into our body, ground ourselves with our own energy. So to do this, you can put your hand on your heart if you feel called to do that, or you can put your hand on your thighs. And so I want you to just intentionally focus on drawing your energy back into your body. So focus on coming into your body here. Once you start bringing your energy back, you're going to notice like sensations coming up. For me personally, I'll feel sometimes like a tension. I'll feel like a sadness. I'll just feel like these emotions that are inside of my body that I wasn't aware of until I brought my energy back into my body. So at this point, I want you to just kind of sink into your body and allow these feelings and these emotions to come up. So if you're feeling like a tension, I want you to just sink into the tension, relax into the tension, and allow the tension to just move freely through you. It's kind of like a surrender. You like surrender to the tension, surrender to these feelings while focusing on keeping your energy in your own body and just allowing everything to be as it is. Depending on how your energy state is, for me personally, sometimes I will have some grief come up and I'll feel like I need to cry, or I'll have some anger come up and I feel like I will need to like shout into a pillow or something. Whatever is coming up for you, feel free to express these emotions freely and let them out. Because what you're really doing is you're taking these emotions that are stuck inside your body and you're letting them out so that we can then begin to clear our energy. Because these are all going to be stuck energetic imprints that are keeping us kind of unbalanced and out of alignment. So you want to just allow them to flow through you and flow out of you. Now, I want to do a quick note that these can come in waves. So you might have one wave of really intense emotions and then feel a little bit of relief. And then you'll feel another wave of intense emotions and a little bit of relief. And this is totally normal and totally expected. So allow yourself to kind of move through these waves until you kind of reach this point of relief. These waves of emotion are going to kind of stop crashing through you, and you're going to feel this deep peace, almost as if you were on like the bottom of the ocean as opposed to on the top with the waves crashing around you. So continue to allow the emotions to flow through you until you find this deep inner peace kind of like arises. This is going to feel a lot like relief. So now after you have reached this point of relief, you're ready to clear out your energy. So I want you to focus on staying really grounded in your body here. You can also picture like roots coming out of your root chakra and into the earth if you want to really ground yourself during this meditation. So you can do that now if you're doing this along with me, allowing your roots to grow into the earth. And then once you feel really grounded in your body, I want you to actually kind of tune into your crown chakra at the top of your head here and really focus on aligning your crown chakra with your life force energy. So this is something that I have always kind of done intuitively, so it's difficult for me to explain exactly how to do this in words. One way you can visualize this is to allow a white light to flow in through your head and into your body. So kind of picture like a white light coming in, really high vibrations of love, abundance. These are great things to kind of focus on. Allow this to come into you and just replenish you and fill you up. So this is going to feel really good. And sometimes at this point, I will feel actually like a spinning sensation. So in case you feel that, just know that that's totally normal. And when this happens to me, I kind of just allow myself, I surrender to this, I let go of control, and I just allow this sensation to take me over. And I find that it's almost like a sensation of relief or clearing. It kind of just clears out your body while you let go and surrender. So if you feel this type of spinning sensation, that's totally fine. Just surrender that and allow that to take you. And allow yourself to really just be replenished by this white light energy that is flowing into you. So I typically will sit with this for at least 10 minutes, probably 10 to 15 minutes if I can, in this energy. So once you've sat with this for a while and you feel really calm, relaxed, and you feel really clear and you feel a lot of clarity, then you're ready to come back to reality. So at this point, just focus on your body again. You can try wiggling your toes, wiggling your fingers. Give yourself a few minutes to come back fully into your body, and then you can open your eyes. And that is the end of the meditation. So that is how that meditation works. So I hope I explained that well. It's a little bit difficult for me to explain this since it's very intuitive to me. So I hope that this was helpful. The benefits of doing a meditation like this, there's so many. So first of all, you can release stored emotions that are trapped in your body. These stored emotions a lot of times are from past traumas or just things that we never really process. So when you go into these emotions and you're letting them out, it's so healthy for your body, for your mind. It's just a really great way to just release all of this stuff that's stored and trapped within us. And if we don't do something about it, it can manifest in other ways like health issues, mental health issues, things like that. So you can release all that stored energy. That's a huge benefit. And then you can also gain insight into problems that you're having. A lot of times when I'm doing this, if I have a specific problem, I'll kind of set the intention to gain some insight and clarity on that. And I will either gain that in the meditation or sometime after. It'll show up in my reality in the next few days, like an answer or some kind of valuable insight. And then I also think that this meditation is great at helping you to gain more health in your body because it allows you to like put your nervous system back into that relaxed state. It allows you to fill up with that life force energy. And just from doing this for so long intuitively, I've noticed like it seems to be a thing that keeps me healthy and glowing, and it really fills up my energy. So I think it is great for health as well. That's just my intuition. And then also this is a great way to tap into that observer perspective and get out of that ego, fight or flight, response, reactive type of energy. This allows you to step back into that observer perspective and really take kind of an outside look at your life from a more calm, objective point of view. So I really love this meditation practice for clearing my energy, and I really hope that it helps you as well. Please let me know if you give this a try. Please post in the comments if you try this, if it worked for you, if it didn't work for you. And also, like as I mentioned earlier, it's a little bit difficult for me to explain this. So if you have any questions on anything or if anything isn't clear or doesn't make sense, feel free to post those in the comments as well, and I would love to answer them. So thank you guys all for watching this, and I hope that this meditation practice is helpful to you. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.